Hi guys, welcome. Today I want to reveal to you the hidden power of your Windows key that you don't know exists. Now, if you're a Windows PC user and you need to boost your productivity with these Windows shortcuts to save yourself some hours, then you need to learn this. First of all, we have Windows shortcut, we have the function. Now, the first one on our list here is Windows key plus M. So what do you use this shortcut to do? To minimize all your open windows. So when I say minimize all your open windows, you know, like when you are working with your system and you have many open applications and maybe you want to minimize to desktop background to do something. Instead of minimizing them one after the other, just hit this shortcut Windows key plus M. It will minimize everything at once for you. So the second one is Windows key plus E. This one opens your File Explorer or Windows Explorer. The next one is Windows key plus L. This shortcut locks your PC or switches your account. So maybe you want to quickly go and do something, and maybe your younger brother is around and you don't want him to have access to your system. You can quickly hit this shortcut to lock your PC. Or if you have multiple accounts, you can use the shortcut to switch between your accounts. Now the fourth one is Windows key plus I. With this shortcut, you can quickly open your Windows settings. So the fifth one here is Windows key plus X. This one opens the quick link menu. Sixth one is Windows key plus R. This one opens the run dialog box. The seventh one here is Windows key plus S. This one opens Windows search. If you want to search something, quickly press this shortcut. It will open the search box for you. The eighth one here is Windows key plus sign. This opens the magnifier. It's more like zooming in. Now if you want to zoom out, you press Windows key plus minus key on your keyboard. This will zoom out with magnifier. Now the 10th one is Windows key plus escape. If you want to close the magnifier that you have opened here using these shortcuts, you click Windows key plus escape. It will close the magnifier. Now if you want to try out this shortcut that I have shown to you today, you can do it at home. Do well to follow our channel for videos like this. Watch out for part 2. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video.